So, Aryaman, any doubt regarding these four rules? Minus, plus, minus, minus, plus into minus is minus, minus into minus is plus, and plus into plus is plus. Do we have any confusion about these four rules?
No.
Okay. Now, please start telling me the answers. So, minus 2 multiplied by minus 4 is?
Plus 8.
Shabash. Plus 3 into minus 6 is?
Minus 18.
Shabash. Minus 6 into minus 7?
Plus 42.
Okay. Next.
Plus 30.
Shabash. Next.
Plus 35.
Shabash. Sixth.
Plus 16.
Shabash. Seventh.
Minus 45.
Shabash. Eighth.
Minus 14.
No, eighth. Eighth.
Minus 36.
Shabash. Ninth.
Plus 48.
Shabash. Tenth.
Minus 14.
Okay. 11th.
Minus 30.
Shabash. 12th.
Plus 24.
Shabash. 13th.
Plus 24.
No, 13th.
Plus 24.
No, it is a positive multiplied by minus 3. Plus 8 multiplied by minus 3. Positive and negative is negative.
Negative 24.
Yeah, negative 24. Any doubt about this?
No, I wrote minus, but I accidentally said
It's okay. It's okay. 14th.
plus 35.
Shabash. 15th.
Minus 54.
Shabash. 16th.
Minus 20.
Shabash. 17th.
Plus 18.
Shabash. 18th.
Minus 21.
Great. Can you repeat 18th?
Minus 21.
Minus 21. Shabash. 19th.
Minus 80.
Shabash. 20th.
Minus 30.
21st.
Minus 18.
Shabash. 22.
Minus 28.
Shabash. 23.
Minus 45.
No, 23. Can you repeat 23?
Minus 40.
Shabash. 24.
Minus 21.
Shabash. 25.
Minus 60.
Great. 26.
Minus 32.
Nice. 27.
Minus 14.
Shabash. 28.
Minus 18.
Shabash. 29.
Minus 50.
Shabash. 30th.
Minus 63.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now we'll continue from here. So, first is
Minus 24.
Shabash. Second is
Minus 28.
Shabash. Third.
Minus 30.
Fourth.
Minus 18.
Fifth.
Minus 42.
Shabash. Sixth.
Minus 24.
Shabash. Seventh.
18. Minus 18.
Yeah. Eighth.
Minus 20.
Eighth is
Minus 20.
minus 20. Shabash. Ninth.
Minus 30.
10th.
Minus 28.
Nice. 11th.
Minus 30.
Very nice. 12th.
Minus 20.
13th.
Minus 48.
14th.
Minus 18.
15th.
Minus 24.
16th.
Minus 70.
Nice. 17th.
minus 20,
Shabash. 18th.
minus 27,
19th.
minus 28,
Shabash. 20th.
minus 48,
21st.
minus 20,
22nd.
minus 18,
23.
minus 56,
Shabash. 24.
minus 20,
24 is?
minus 20,
Yeah. 25.
minus 36,
No. 25th.
27,
Yeah.
27,
27. Shabash. Minus 27. Shabash.
Yeah.
26.
minus 24,
Shabash. 27.
minus 56,
Shabash. 28.
minus 18,
Great. 29.
minus 44,
No. 29.
minus 24,
Yeah. Minus 24. Great. 30th.
minus 50,
Shabash. 31st.
minus 18.
Shabash. Very nice. Great. So always keep in mind these rules. Now, what starts happening is usually I'll tell you the confusion that you may face because a lot of students face a confusion. So once they have understood multiplication, then the problem that they start facing is that they try to confuse the multiplication rules with the subtraction rules. So for example, can you tell me the answer of minus 7 plus 3?
Minus 4,
Shabash. And can you tell me the answer of the second one?
4,
Yeah. Now the problem that starts happening is, I'll tell you the problem that starts happening. So minus 7 minus 3 would be?
minus 4,
No, minus 7 minus 3.
minus 10.
Minus 10. So here, a lot of confusion starts happening. I've seen this confusion in a lot of students. What they start confusing is, this is a main point of confusion, that they say they see this rule, that minus multiplied by minus is plus, and they start applying this rule to this rule. Have you understood, Ariman?
So then plus 10.
Yes. So what you need to understand without any confusion, because that this is where the confusion will start happening, that minus 7 multiplied by minus 3 would be plus 21. Have you understood?
Yeah.
Because there, if I am multiplying minus 7 and minus 3, there I am applying this rule, that minus multiplied by minus is positive. But when I am doing, I'm sorry,
But there's no multiplication.
yes, in this one, there is no multiplication. It is minus 7 minus 3. So this will be minus 10. So don't never ever confuse these two. There are multiplication rules and there are subtraction rules. These two are different rules. Any doubt?
No.
Similarly, students will start confusing here. So 7 minus 3. So in these type of questions, what you need to understand is that the bigger number, the sign of the bigger number will come. So for example, minus 7 is a big number. So the sign of the bigger number will continue. So the minus 7 plus 3 would be minus 4. Any doubt, Ariman?
No.
And yeah, and when I'm doing 7 minus 3, the bigger number is 7. So the sign of the bigger number will continue, which is positive. Any doubt?
No.
Yeah, so never ever confuse. Again, the confusion starts that minus plus minus, minus multiplied by plus is minus. but plus multiplied by minus is minus. Now these two rules are different. Look very closely at these two rules. These two rules are completely different from these two rules. Are there any doubt?
No, no.
Because usually my experience has been that a lot of students will start confusing these. Okay, great, great, great. One second.